god! Oh my god! I just ran into. Oh my god! This lady just ran into the door. I don't know what she's doing. Okay.
I'm a Mexican in a sombrero.
Welcome.
I think our teacher is mad. Oh, she is.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Sombrero.
Somebody's throwing at. Oh my god! Take cover! Take cover, sombrero lady.
Sombrero, sombrero.
Take cover.
Mexican in a sombrero.
Take cover.
We're good. Oh, keep it. Oh,
Take cover, lady. I gotta go. Okay.
Here's an apple.
Bye.
Here's a Mexican apple from my teacher. Ooh.
Oh my god, are you okay? Oh my god. Oh my god, Mexican lady. Mexican lady.
Mexican.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Hey
So
guys,
we get an ambulance.
guys, we're recording.
Oh, what?
That really hurt.
Kira, we're recording.
Sombrero.
I don't think she really cares.